How are you today?
Good morning, ma'am. I'm fine, thank you. How about you?
I'm doing great. Did you enjoy your weekend?
Yes, ma'am. I watched an English movie with my family.
Oh, really? Which movie did you watch?
It was The Pursuit of Happiness. I loved it.
That's a beautiful movie. Did you understand the dialogues easily?
Not all, but I understood most of them with subtitles.
That's a good start. Watching movies really helps improve listening skills.
Yes, ma'am. I also tried to repeat some lines to improve pronunciation.
That's a smart idea. Repetition helps with accent and fluency.
Sometimes I feel shy speaking English aloud at home
Why do you feel shy?
because my family laughs when I make mistakes.
Don't worry about that. Making mistakes means you're learning something new.
I'll try to ignore it and keep practicing.
Good. How was your homework from last week?
It was a bit difficult, especially the essay writing.
Which part did you find difficult?
I couldn't organize my ideas properly.
That's common. Always plan before writing. Make a short outline first.
I'll try that next time, ma'am.
Good. Did you bring your notebook today?
Yes, ma'am. I also wrote some new vocabulary words.
That's wonderful. Can you read a few of them for me?
Sure, confident, opportunity, challenge, and success.
Nice words. Do you know their meanings?
Yes, I looked them up in the dictionary and wrote example sentences.
Excellent habit. Keep that up.
Thank you, ma'am. It helps me remember better.
How often do you read English books?
I try to read every evening before bed.
That's impressive. What kind of books do you read?
Mostly short stories because they're easy to understand.
That's a good choice. Reading improves both grammar and vocabulary.
Yes, ma'am. I've noticed my reading speed is getting faster.
That's great progress. Have you tried reading newspapers?
Not yet, but I plan to start soon.
Start with small articles and you'll enjoy it.
Okay, I'll do that.
How is your grammar practice going?
It's fine, but tenses confuse me sometimes.
Which tense do you find hardest?
The present perfect tense is a bit tricky.
Let's practice it. Say one sentence using have or has.
I have finished my homework already.
Perfect. You used it correctly.
Thank you, ma'am. I feel more confident now.
Confidence is the key. Do you practice speaking daily?
Yes, I speak with my friend for 10 minutes every day.
That's wonderful. What do you usually talk about?
We talk about our daily routine and hobbies.
That's exactly how you build fluency. Keep it up.
Thank you, ma'am. Sometimes I forget some words while speaking.
That's okay. Just pause and think of another simple word.
Yes, that helps me continue without stopping.
Good strategy. Do you listen to English songs?
Yes, ma'am. I listen and try to sing along.
That's fun and educational.
I like Perfect by Ed Sheeran.
Which song do you like most? Nice choice. Music improves pronunciation naturally.
Yes, I notice my pronunciation is getting clearer.
That's good to hear. What about your listening practice?
I listen to English podcasts while walking.
Excellent. Listening daily improves understanding fast.
Sometimes I don't understand native accents.
That's normal. Your ears need time to get used to different accents.
I'll keep practicing until I get better.
That's the spirit. How are your classmates doing in English?
Everyone is improving, especially after your speaking activities.
I'm glad to hear that. Which activity do you like the most?
I like the role plays because they feel real and fun.
Yes, role plays are great for confidence.
I also enjoy your grammar games. They make learning easy.
I'm happy you like them. Games help us learn without stress.
That's true, ma'am. Learning becomes enjoyable.
Exactly. How do you prepare for English tests?
I revise grammar rules and read short passages.
That's good. Do you also practice writing?
Yes, I write short essays every weekend.
Excellent. Writing regularly improves memory too.
Yes, I can see the difference in my spelling now.
That's progress. How do you remember difficult spellings?
I write them 3 times and say them aloud.
That's the best technique. Do you use English in daily life?
Yes, I try to speak English at shops and restaurants.
Wow, that's brave. How do people respond?
Some smile and some reply in English too.
That's wonderful. Every small effort makes a big difference.
I feel more confident speaking outside now.
That's great. Confidence comes from practice, not perfection.
I'll remember that, ma'am.
Good. Are you ready for the midterm exam next week?
Almost, but I need more practice in essay writing.
Don't worry, we'll do one essay together tomorrow.
Thank you, ma'am. That would help a lot.
Do you get nervous during exams?
A little bit, especially before the speaking test.
Everyone does. Just take a deep breath and speak slowly.
Yes, that helps me stay calm.
Exactly. How do you usually start your speaking test?
I start by greeting and introducing myself politely.
Perfect. That's the best way.
Thank you. I also try to smile while speaking.
Good. A smile shows confidence and comfort.
Ma'am, can I ask something about pronunciation?
Of course, go ahead.
Sometimes I'm unsure where to stress the word.
Good question. Usually, we stress the important syllable or meaning word.
Can you give an example?
Sure. In the word information, we stress ma.
Ah, so it's information.
Exactly. You got it right.
Thank you, ma'am. I'll practice more like that.
Good idea. Do you use any English learning apps?
Yes, I use one for vocabulary practice.
That's useful. Which one do you like?
I like Duolingo because it feels like a game.
Nice. Games make practice fun.
Yes, it keeps me motivated.
That's important. Motivation helps you stay consistent.
Sometimes I feel lazy though,
That's normal. Just set small daily goals.
like reading 1 page or writing 5 sentences.
Exactly. Small habits lead to big results.
That's encouraging, ma'am.